When you're taken into custody and there is no licensed, sober person available to drive the car away, officers will have it towed and stored. This is routine procedure. It does not by itself signal anything unusual about your case. The fees start the moment the tow truck leaves, so the clock is already running. The first question to answer is which kind of hold your car is under, because that changes everything. A basic storage tow means the car was moved because you could not drive it that night. No special legal hold is attached, and the registered owner can usually retrieve it within a day or two once the paperwork and fees are handled. The second situation is a 30-day impound, and that is a different problem entirely. California Vehicle Code 14602.6, that is the impoundment statute, authorizes a 30-day hold most often when the driver was operating on a license that was already suspended or revoked. If your license was valid at the time of the stop, a 30-day hold generally does not apply. Knowing which bucket you are in is the first thing to confirm. To release a stored vehicle, the tow yard or impounding agency will generally want to see proof that you are the registered owner or are authorized by the owner, a valid driver license for whoever will be driving the car away, current registration, and proof of insurance. The towing and storage fees must also be paid at that time. If the registered owner is someone other than the driver who was arrested, that owner may be in a better position to retrieve the car sooner. Identify who that is and get them involved right away. If your car is under a hold, you are entitled to request a stored vehicle hearing with the impounding agency. This is your chance to challenge whether the impound was proper, and in some cases, to get the vehicle released early or to dispute who is responsible for the fees. Registered owners who are not the driver often have strong arguments at these hearings. The deadline to request one is short, so ask about it right away. Do not assume the hold is fixed. Here is a trap that comes up often. After a DUI arrest, your driving privilege may already be restricted through the temporary suspension process. The moment you most want to drive is exactly when you go to pick up your car. Driving on a suspended license to retrieve an impounded vehicle is how one DUI night turns into a second, separate charge. Bring a licensed driver with you, or sort out your driving status before you get behind the wheel. The car is the urgent problem of the first day or two. But the more important deadline is the 10-day window to protect your driving privilege with the DMV. Handle the car, then immediately turn your attention to that. Getting your car back is the practical problem of the first day or two, but do not let it crowd out the 10-day DMV deadline. Both matter and both move fast. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.